Hello friends, welcome to Jpeg and today we discuss about how to make a picture slideshow in PowerPoint with music. Now let's start the topic. The very first step is click on Insert, then click on Photo Album. Here is the option File This, click on that. From here you can choose your pictures which you want in your presentation. I choose 6 images. Then click on Insert. Here is the option with picture layout. Here are multiple options. You can choose any of them. I choose Fit to Slide. Then click on Create. You can see a slideshow is created with multiple pictures. You can edit the first slide. You can write here, hi, take cat. Then click on Design to design your presentation. There are multiple options. You can choose any of them which you want in your presentation. I choose this one. You can see here. Then click on second slide with the image and then click on Transitions. Here are also multiple transitions. You can choose any of them. You can see. Then choose transitions for individual images. Then for fourth. Then for fifth. You can choose any of them. And for sixth. And for last one. Then click on Insert. And here is the option Audio. Click on that for audio. Choose the audio from your PC and click on Insert. You can see an audio icon in the presentation. Then click on Playback. Here is a Start option. Click on that and choose Play Across Slides. Then click on Animations. Here is the Animation pane option. Click on that. You can see a dialog box. And in this, click on Effect Options. Here is a dialog box appears in the desktop. Here are multiple options: Effect, Timing, Audio Setting. And here are also multiple options: Start Playing, Stop Playing. Change the last one option with total number of slides. I have 7. Then click on OK. Then click on Slideshow. Click on From Picking. So friends, I hope you learned a lot of things from this video. If you like this video, then share this video and subscribe my channel. Take care. Thank you.